Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money using Popmoney, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Popmoney website. If you haven't already, click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in your details, including your email address and phone number. Create a secure password and confirm it. Once registered, log into your Popmoney account. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Send Money option. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Input the amount you wish to send. Select the date you would like the payment to be processed. Add a personal message if desired, to accompany the payment. Review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Click the Continue button to proceed with the transaction. Choose your funding source, which could be a bank account or debit card. If you are using a bank account for the first time, you may need to link it by providing your bank account details. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen funding source. Once verified, select it for your payment. Review all transaction details and click on Send Money to complete the transfer. You will receive a confirmation notification of the transaction. The recipient will receive an email or text notification about the payment. Depending on the recipient's bank, they may get the money instantly or it could take 1 to 3 business days. Check back in your Popmoney account to track the status of your transaction if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.